Good morning students. This is your math class and we are discussing chapter 14 data handling. In this we already discussed what is pictograph and tally mark, and also we discussed bar graph. Next topic is of circle graphs, or we can say pie chart. Yes, look at the definitions. Circle graph or pie chart is another type of graph used to represent data. So actually, why we are using data handling? To represent the data. So we are using to represent the data by means of pictograph, tally marks, bar graphs, and also circle graphs. So this is one kind of method to represent the data. It is a circular shaped graph that represents data by dividing a circle into sectors. So in this method we are representing the data by means of dividing the circle into sectors. Each sector is a part, fraction or percentage of the whole circle and is proportional in size to the amount each sector represents. Yes, it is easy to understand. So how we are representing? We are representing the data using circles and we are dividing into parts, that means sectors. Yes, look at one example. It may easily understand about the circle graphs. The following table shows the favorite sport of 48 students of a class, and now they given the datas: name of sport, number of students, football 12, hockey 24, tennis 6, cricket 6. Represent this data using a circle graph. So they given the datas and they are asking to represent the datas using the circle graph. Yes, now move on to the solution part. Convert the number of students liking a sport as a fraction of the total number of students. First we have to convert the total number of students, those who are liking the sport, as a fraction, or we have to convert into percentage. Yes, then only we can easily divide the circle or divide the parts. Yes, so fraction of students who like football. So already they given in data football, number of students liking football is nothing but 12 and total number of students is 48 students. That data also they given 48 students. Yes, so which is equal to 12 by 24. So this is of a total number of students and this is those who are liking the sport football. So that is equal to 12 by 48. So if you simplify this, you know the table, 12 table, right? How many times in 12 table 48 will come? Exactly 4 times. So which is equal to 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48. So I just converted the data as a fraction. So they given the students who liking the football is, number of students is 12, and I just converted into fraction to represent in circle graph. Yes, now make 1/4 of the circle as football. Let's see the circles. Now first find out the number of fractions, how to divide the circle. Just we will first see that part, then move on to the graph, circle graph. Fraction of students who like hockey. Yes, who like hockey. Look at the question. Number of students those who like hockey is 24 and total number of students is 48. So we should divide by the total number of students, which is equal to 24 divided by total number of students, that is 48. So if we simplify this, 24 ones are 24 and 24 2 times, that is nothing but 48. So I am getting the fraction for those who like hockey is nothing but 1 by 2. Now fraction of students who like tennis. Yes, number of students who like tennis is 6 and total number of students is 48. So I am just dividing 6 by 48. If you simplify this, 6 ones are 6, 6 eights are 48. So I am getting the fraction as 1 by 8. Now, fraction of students who like cricket. In question they give number of students as 6 and the total number of students is 48. So cricket is equal to 6 by total number of students, that is 48. If you simplify this, 6 ones are 6 and 6 eights are 48. So make 1/8 of the circle as cricket. Now we found out the fractions for the given data. Now move on to the circle part. How to represent the data in circle graph. Yes, we know the data and we found out the number of fractions and how to split the circle, how to divide into sectors. Yes, now look at the hockey, which is of 1 by 2. What it mean? Actually 1 by 2 is nothing but half. So this is a full circle. I am just dividing into half. Yes, so this is half part and this is one is half part. So I am getting for hockey the fraction number is 1 by 2. So I just separated this circle graph as 1 by 2. This half and this is 1 half. So I am just representing this as 1 by 2. Right? Yes. Now look at the football. This is of 1/4. Yes. So what do you mean of 1/4? 1 by quarter. So full circle in that quarter part. That means 1 by 4 is quarter part. So I am just, this is half. So 1 half, this is second half. In this I have to divide into half. Yes. So this is, I am making this line to get this half. So this is nothing but 1 by 4th part of the circle. And move on to the tennis and cricket. This is of 1 by 8, 1 by 8. This is nothing but half of the quarter. Yes, this is actually half of the half circle. So I am getting 1 by 2 and this is nothing but half of the quarter. So I am just dividing this into two sectors. So tennis is 1 by 8 and cricket also 1 by 8. Like this way you have to represent the circle graphs. Okay, let's see one of the checkpoint sums they given in the question. The adjoining circle graph shows the number of different types of trees in a park. Read the circle graph and answer the following questions. Now you just analyze this circle and we have to answer the questions. Now look at the diagram which is showing the number of different types of trees in a park, and we have to read the circle graph to answer the questions. So this makes the oak, mango, neem, pine, ashoka. So you can analyze which one is the most space occupying tree is neem, and the next one is mango, oak, and the least one is pine. Let's see the questions one by one and we can answer it easily. So first question, which type of trees are maximum in number? Yes, without doubtfully you can say which type of tree are maximum in number. Yes, of course, neem occupies a big space in the circle. So answer is neem tree. Yes. Okay. Next is of second question. Which two type of trees are equal in number? Which two type of trees are equal in number? Easily you can say, right? Yes, which one? Look at the diagram. Mango and oak, both are occupying the same space. So the answer is oak tree and mango tree. Is it easy to understand, students? Yes, it's very easy. By understanding the circle graph, you can easily answer the questions. Yes, move on to the next question. Which type of trees are minimum in number? Which type of trees are minimum in number? Yes, who can answer this question? Yes, everybody can answer this question. Without doubtfully you can say pine, because that space occupies very least. So answer is pine tree. Move on to the last question. Which type of trees are more in number than pine trees but less than mango trees? So understand the question first. What they are asking: which type of trees are more in number than pine trees but less than mango? Yes, it should be more than in pine but less than mango. Yes, obviously Ashoka. It is more than pine and less than mango. So answer is Ashoka tree. Yes, it is easy to understand. Yes students, very easy. The topic we discussed is circle graph. Just do your homework sums, practice this. Very easy to understand. And now we just discuss the summary part of data handling. The collection of numbers gathered to get some information or to make decision is called data. In the first class itself, we discussed what is meant of data. That is nothing but collection of numbers gathered to get some information, right? Yes. Picture or symbols are used to represent the data is nothing but pictograph. Yes. Tally marks are vertical lines drawn in such a way that every fifth line is slanting to form a bundle of 5. Yes, you know how to mention or represent the tally marks. We should draw the vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line we should give off slanting line to get the bundle of 5. Data can be organized in tabular form using tally marks. Yes, bar graphs are made by using bars of equal width placed on the x-axis. Yes, we should draw x and y axis, and we should using the bars of equal width to represent the bar graph. Circle graph or pie chart is a circular shaped graph that represents data by dividing a circle into sectors. The collected data can be represented using pictograph, tally marks, bar graph and circle graph. It is very easy topic students. Just go through it and do your homework sums. Thank you for the session. Meet you all in the next session. Thank you. Have a great day.